Hello everyone! In today's video you'll learn how to implement this very quick dark mode switch. So we'll start from this basic website. Here we have the index, style and the main.js file. So the first thing we have to do in order to apply this kind of dark theme to this is basically in the HTML we have to add a filter with invert 100%, and what this does, it's basically inverting all the colors in our HTML document. So you see that this is very fast, but it comes with some let's say unintended effects. So we'll have to treat all of these independently. So this is very different from site to site, but what we can do for images especially, it's and filter invert again. Okay, so basically applying it twice, it's like we didn't apply it. Now we'll consider two scenarios, light and dark. Okay, so we'll make the difference by a class added to the HTML element. Okay, so let's make this light. So we only want this for the dark theme, and we also want this for all the dark pages. So if we go here and make this dark, it's gonna be our dark theme. Okay, now we need a way to change this theme. Okay, so what we'll do for this is add a button on the corner of the screen. Or so for this I'll go to the HTML and somewhere here, okay, we'll add two icons. One it's a moon and one it's a sun. Okay, so we'll use those or those toggle buttons to switch between the themes. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll target those toggle buttons. Okay, and we'll do a height of I don't know, let's say 75, and width of 75. Okay, I think this is too big, but yeah, let's go with 50. Okay, perfect. So now we want this to be position fixed. Okay, and let's go with the okay, and the bottom 32 pixels. Okay, so we have our buttons. Okay, perfect. Now we only want to show it based on the dark light thing. Okay, we added this class here. So for the light we want to show the moon, and for the dark we want to show the sun. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We'll target the HTML light, and we'll target the theme toggle and toggle button dot light, and we'll say display block, and we'll do the same here for the dark, and we are gonna say display none here. Perfect. And also let's go with the cursor pointer. Perfect. Now I think it's time to jump into the JavaScript. Okay, so here first we are gonna need a function to do this switch. Okay, so we'll go with the function. Okay, change theme. So here we first need to get the HTML element. This will be document.get element by tag name, and here we'll say HTML, and we want the first one because this will return an array. So now we'll suppose that we have the default class here set to light or dark as you wish. Okay, so we're just gonna do HTML element dot class list dot toggle, and here we'll say dark, and we are gonna do the same thing for light. Okay, so basically if light was on, when we do toggle dark it will add dark, and when we do toggle light it will remove light. So basically it will switch between them. Okay, so this should work, but we also need to switch it on click. So we'll target our buttons. Okay, and this will be document dot get element by class name, and here we'll get our toggle button. Okay, that's the class we used on both of the buttons. So now we'll loop through our buttons, and we'll add the event listener to each of them, and we'll just call the change theme function. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so we have a problem, but I guess that's again because of this split screen. Yep, now it's working as expected. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments.